When I first began my YouTube channel, I had a hard time getting subscribers, but then I found a strategy that made it a lot easier. My name is Darwynn from Channel Hero, and in this video, I will teach you how to find your viewers, learn what they like, and make videos that will make them want to subscribe. Curious about finding your audience? Well, it all begins by discovering who they like to watch. So let's go to our channel, look at our About Me section. Whatever we say we do as a creator, let's use that to search for videos. And if you have no clue what you do as a creator, you haven't found your niche, lucky for you, I've already created a video for that. Just click on the card above. So for example, this channel is about remodeling walls and home improvement. And everything you do in life, before you learn how to accomplish a task, you must know how to use the tools first. So let's go to YouTube and search home improvement tools. As you can see, the top creators in your niche are reviewing tools for home improvement. Next, we create a list of these creators that are ranking at the top. These are the competitors in your niche. So anytime you come up with a new topic to make a video on, the guys who ranked on that topic can be added to the list to expand your competitors to learn from and get video ideas. Now that can seem like some extra work, but I found a workaround. Using the link I provided in the description, there's a site called Morning Fame. It provides features that make this easy and fun. Now this video is not sponsored by Morning Fame. However, if you use the link I've provided, they will grant me free months of unpaid subscriptions. And the cool thing about it is they have this feature for all users, so you can use it too. So let's go to the site. Once you're logged in, click on Prototype. And as you can see, I've already gathered my list of competitors. At the time of this video, I just started as well. So I'm on the outside and the goal is to work my way to the middle. Now let's do your channel. So add another niche. I've named mine the Demo Guide Competitors. Click Add Channels. To start, let's put our own channel in the niche. So you can try to search your channel, but because you're fairly new, you may not see it appear. So just go to your channel and copy the URL and then come back and paste it. Then click Look Up. So what you want to do is give it a few channels from the list of competitors you created earlier. This way, it can automatically start gathering similar channels. So if we remember the channel Home Reno Vision, we can either type it in or copy the channel URL. I do about 3 and then click Add Related Channels. And what this does is scrubs YouTube for channels similar to the ones in this niche. Now, every channel may not be similar, so just double check the channel's relevance and add as many as possible. You can always come back and add more as you grow. Exploring YouTube topics is a start, but tailoring them to your audience is the key to success. Now that you have your competitors, let's see if we can crank out some video ideas from them. Click the Topics tab. These are the latest videos posted from channels within your niche. If you check the Show Burners Only box, you'll see the videos that are currently taking off. And if it's an idea you like, you can click the Pentagon and that adds it to a pattern. And this way you can go and watch and analyze some takeaways or how to make the video better. In case this can be a bit challenging, below you have guided research, which walks you through step-by-step how to search trending, evergreen, seasonal, and classic topics. A bonus tip: if you go back to YouTube and search some of these topics, you can find additional competitors and more video ideas. The smartest way to grow your channel is to keep people on your channel. Anytime you make a video, try to think of a topic the viewer will want to watch next. Then make that video as well. YouTube will promote your videos to more people because you're directing viewers to the next relevant topic. Now, I've struggled in early stages of being consistent because I didn't have a strategy on how to find relevant topics that were interesting enough to keep my audience watching and gain more subscribers. I don't want that to happen to you. And to make sure it doesn't, I've created this video where I teach you how to discover ideas, see if people are interested in them, and most importantly, check if they're related to your niche.